Sermon number 57. Ma'avia swallows whatever he gets and crave for what he does not get. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Soon after me there would be put on you a man with a broad mouth and a big belly. He would swallow whatever he gets and would crave for what he does not get. You should kill him, but I know you would not kill him. He would command you to abuse me and to renounce me. As for abusing, you do abuse me because that would mean purification for me and salvation for you. As regards renunciation, you should not renounce me because I have been born on the natural religion, Islam, and was foremost in accepting it as well as in Hijrah, migrating from Mecca to Medina.